Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video, we are going to see that how you can shorten your LinkedIn profile link or URL link. So if we try to copy and paste it in our resume, it might look something like this, but you want to short it so that it can fit in a particular space, right? So what you can do is on the right hand side, you can see this option which says public profile and URL. So just click on it. And from here you can edit your URL. On the right hand side you can see the exact name what is shown right here. But what you can do is instead of using the full name, just click edit and just use the first name and last name combination with some code. So you can use something like this with some code, and this is the link that you can use now. If I go back to my view my profile, it will be shortened to this name. And now if I try to paste it here, you can see that it is taking much less space. So guys, this is how you can shorten your URL link on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.